All them Worcesters.
Brand new beard this year.
Daddy, where's the other one that wore me?
It goes on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner, on Blitzen. So it's Dasher. You know Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, and Donner and Blitzen. But do you know the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Sing with me. Okay.
What are the ones named?
Huh? Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid, Donner and Blitzen, and Rudolph.
Is Rudolph in the front?
Yep, Rudolph leads the way because he's got the nose that shines in the dark. You know when it gets really foggy out and everything else? So what did Santa Claus all tell you? I couldn't hear what he was telling you.
He wanted me to get a secret for you guys.
A secret? What kind of secret? You tell him what you wanted for Christmas? What'd you tell him?
I wanted a cardinal.
A cardinal? How come not a cub? How come you didn't want a cub? What kind of cardinal?
Red
A red cardinal? The bird, you mean? Okay. Gonna say otherwise I'm gonna have to drop you off at Sister Florence's and leave you there. Cause she likes cardinals. But if you like the Cubs, then I'll take you up to Aunt and Uncle Jan and Ray's.
my grandma likes
Does she? What's Daddy like? No. I like the Cubs. Yep.
You want the clock for yourself?
I like the Cubs, the little bears, you know? The Cubs. What do you mean for myself?